Hey there foodies, welcome back to Lemon Kun, your go-to channel for easy and mouth-watering recipes. Today we are diving into the world of comfort with the irresistible beef lasagna with bechamel sauce or white sauce. Let's get cooking. To kick things off, heat up a pan and drizzle in some oil. Toss in chopped white onions and saute until they are soft. Then add in some chopped garlic and beef mince. Cook until the meat changes color. Tomato puree and tomato paste. Now pour in beef or chicken broth, cover and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing those flavors to melt together. Now time to amp up the flavors, sprinkle in salt, black pepper powder, dried oregano, a hint of sugar and some fresh basil leaves. Let everything simmer for an additional 5 minutes, letting those aromatic seasoning infuse into the meat mixture. And our savory meat sauce is ready to go. As we move on to the next step, a quick reminder, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. This way you'll never miss out on our delicious recipes. Next up, let's prepare our lasagna sheets. Boil water according to the recipe's requirements, season it with salt, and gently drop in the sheets. Cook them until they are about 7 to 80% done, as they'll finish cooking in the oven. Once they are ready, strain them and set them aside. Now it's time to prepare our luscious white sauce. For our creamy white sauce, melt some butter in a pan, then add flour and saute for 2 to 3 minutes to create a roux. Gradually pour in milk, stirring continuously to avoid lumps. Turn up the flame, then add cream for an extra creamy texture. Turn on flame and season with salt, black pepper powder, garlic powder and dried oregano. Our velvety sauce is ready to go. In a 9x9-inch oven dish, start by layering a bit of meat sauce to prevent the pasta from sticking. Then layer lasagna sheets followed by the meat sauce, white sauce, and a sprinkle of cheddar cheese. Repeat this process for 3 layers. We prefer a lighter meat layer in our lasagna, but feel free to adjust the quantity to suit your taste preferences. Cooking is all about making at your own, so customize the recipe to your liking. Top the lasagna with a generous amount of cheddar and mozzarella cheese, sprinkle some dried oregano, cover the dish with foil to ensure the pasta and cheese cook evenly. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, then remove the foil and grill for an additional 5 minutes to achieve the crispy layer. Once out of the oven, let the lasagna rest for 5 minutes before slicing into it. Trust me, the aroma alone will make it hard to resist. Serve up a hearty portion and indulge in the deliciousness. The satisfaction of a perfectly baked beef lasagna. If you're tempted by this mouth-watering dish, give it a try and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and leaving us a comment. Until our next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.